Hello students, welcome to the session 3 of the topic matrices of paper 1 mathematics. In this lecture we are going to take up examples and finding the rank of a matrix by reducing to row reduced echelon form. And before we actually take up examples, we will first define the rank of a matrix in terms of row reduced echelon form of a matrix. Andre ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Before we start up examples or the definition of rank of a matrix, I just want to recall the definition of row reduced echelon form of a matrix. So if you remember, in our last session we have clearly defined how to reduce the given matrix to row reduced echelon form. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು reduce ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, we'll just take the matrix and see to it that every row, the leading entry, ಪ್ರತಿ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, 1 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು 1 ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೋ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಎವ್ರಿ ರೋ the leading entry should be 1 and the elements below it should be equal to 0. Apart from that, we also need to check that the number of zeros keep on increasing from one row to the other row. So first row to last row as you go, the number of zeros should be increasing. And then if there are any zero rows, ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ರೋ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಜೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಜೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ರೋ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಜೀರೋ ರೋ ಬಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪುಷ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದ ಜೀರೋ ರೋ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ರೋ. As I told you, we will just define what is the rank of a matrix when we reduce it to echelon form. So that means we are trying to get the rank of a matrix after reducing the matrix to row reduced echelon form. So it says that the rank of the matrix A is equal to the number of non-zero rows in the row reduced echelon form of the matrix. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಆರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. Now with this definition we shall try to take up example. Okay, find the rank of each of the following matrices by reducing into row reduced echelon form. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲವಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Let us see how to solve this problem. We shall try to solve this example. See, the matrix here, given matrix is A is equal to 1, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 1, 4 and 1, minus 11, 14. ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ರೋರಲ್ಲೂ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ first row the leading entry is 1. So what is the next immediate operation? I have to convert these two to 0. And how will you do this? We will do this by taking up R2 is R2 minus 2 R1. ಆಮೇಲೆ R3 ನಾನು ಹೇಳದ್ನಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ರೋನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಈ ರೋನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎರಡು ರೋಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದು ಮಿಕ್ಸಪ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. R3 is R3 minus R1. So the equivalent matrix that you are going to get is, first row there is no change, 1, 3, minus 2 remains as it is. Next row, R2 minus 2 times of R1. For R1 elements ne 2 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ, minus 2 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ, R1 elements, R2 elements ಜೊತೆಗೆ corresponding ಆಗಿ add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. So 2 minus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus 1 minus 2 into 3, minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. Then 4 minus 2 into minus 2. So 4 plus 4 is going to be 8. Okay. So now 1 minus 1 R3, 1 minus 1. So corresponding elements ಜೊತೆಗೆ subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಥವಾ R1 ನ minus 1 ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ R3 elements ಜೊತೆಗೆ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14. And then 14 minus of minus 2. So 14 plus 2 is 16. This is now in first row is reduced. You can see that first row the element is 1 and the elements below it are become zeros. So now what you do is you take up the second row. Second row ge ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? leading entry ಇದೇನಾಗಬೇಕು? 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. So this one has to be converted into 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್? ಈ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 1 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದನ್ನೇ 1 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. How will you do that? Once again take the operation. R2 is R2 into minus 1 by 7. So first we'll do that operation. What do you get? 1, 3 minus 2. Then 0 into minus 1 by 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus 7 into minus 1 by 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 8 into minus 1 by 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 8 by 7. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. 0 minus 14 and 16. Okay. So now see here. First row already reduced. Second row now what happened? The leading entry has become 1 and I have to see to it that the element below it is becoming 0. So how do you do this? You can see here R3 now. R3 operation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. R3 is R3 plus 14 times R2. 14 times R2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 14 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 14 ಬಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನನಗೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So what you can do is you can just write the equivalent matrix 1, 3. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋಡು ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. 0, 1 minus 8 by 7. Okay. Now see what happens. Minus 14 R3 plus 14 times R2. Minus 14 plus 14 into 1. First 0 into 0 plus 14 into 0. So 0 that will be. Minus 14 plus 14 into 1. Minus 14 plus 14 is going to be 0. And see here what is the next term? 16. I'll just write it here. 16 plus 14 into minus 8 by 7. What do you get? 7 ones are 7 twos. And what do you get? 16 minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. So what is the answer? You are going to get it as 0. Look at that. First row is reduced. Second row is also reduced. Only the thing is now third row we were supposed to reduce and we have reduced first row. One element for a first element leading entry 1 ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಇದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಇದೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು zeros. That means it is already in row reduced echelon form. No need to go for further reduction. Therefore now this is in the row reduced echelon form. So for that what we can do? We can just say that the given matrix is in row reduced echelon form. How many non-zero rows are there? We saw that there are 2 non-zero rows. Therefore, the rank of the given matrix A is 2. So this is how you can find the rank of the given matrix by reducing it to row reduced echelon form. The next example is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 7, 3, 6, 9. And we are supposed to find the rank of this matrix. So first thing we need to remember is whenever we want to find the rank of a matrix, exactly there are 2 methods. One is finding the rank by reducing it to row reduced echelon form, which we are trying to do now. And there is one more method which is known as reducing the given matrix to normal form and then finding the rank of a matrix, which we will be studying after a few sessions. We will just take up this matrix now and we know how to reduce the given matrix to row reduced echelon form. First, let us reduce to row reduced echelon form. Only then think of the rank of the matrix, because once you get the given matrix to row reduced echelon form, you can just look into the number of non-zero rows and then write the rank as the number of non-zero rows. So row reduced echelon form ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, first row ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ every row the leading entry should be 1 and start from first row, and you can see here that the row is 1. Here the first row the leading entry is 1, and so what you have to do is you have to make the elements below this to 0. So the solution part contains the reduction of the given matrix to row reduced echelon form. So now 1 is there already in the first row. I have to make the elements below that to 0. Second row nalli 2 ide, third row nalli 3 ide. Hagagi second row na 0 madbekandre R2 is R2 minus 2 times R1. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯಾವ ರೋನ ನಾವು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆನೋ ಆ ರೋಡ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಎಕೆಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೋ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ರೋ 1 ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. R2 is R2 minus 2R1. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ R3 ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರೋ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇರೋ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ of second and third row with the first row. So no elements are being repeated, or we are trying to mix up the operations. So that is not happening. So what you need to do is you just consider this operation. R3 minus ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ R1 ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. R3 minus 3 times R1. So with this operation what do we get? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, 1 2 3 ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 4 is 0. 7 minus 2 into 3, 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. And now you can see the second row is first row, second row elements we have converted the element below the leading entry of first row to 0. Go to the third row now. So that also we have the operation R3 is R3 minus 3 times R1. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 3 ಇದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನ 3 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ R3 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ R3 ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ R3 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. 3 minus 3 into 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 3 into 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 3 into 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. Look at this. This became so simple. In just one operation, we have reduced the given matrix to row reduced echelon form. Isn't it? This is in the row reduced echelon form. You don't have to think that there should be only 1 0 in the second row and there should be 2 zeros in the third row. Nothing like that. You should see to it that whether the definition of echelon form is satisfied or not. Every row, the leading entry is 1 and the number of zeros are keeping on increasing, and the 0 rows are appearing below the non-zero rows. You can see that these two are non-zero rows and this is the 0 row which is appearing below the non-zero row. So this matrix is in row reduced echelon form. The number of non-zero rows is the number of non-zero rows. Number of non-zero rows is 2. So what will be the rank of this matrix? Rank of the matrix is nothing but the number of non-zero rows. Therefore, rank of A. Rank of A ಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು notation ಕೂಡ use ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಏನದು? If you remember, it is row of A. Row of A is equal to 2. So this became a very simple example where we got the given matrix in the row reduced echelon form with just one by reducing only one row. So first row reduce ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಅದೇನಾಯಿತು, row reduced echelon form ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. So this is one more example where we have reduced the given matrix to echelon form and got the rank of the matrix. One more example for you. Again, we have to find the rank of the matrix. The given matrix is this one. A is equal to 1, 1, minus 1, 3, 2, minus 2, 6, 8, 3, 5, minus 7 and 8. We have to reduce this to row reduced echelon form. First row reduced echelon form ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆನೆ ನಾವು rank of the matrix ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. So once again, go for checking how to go for getting the row reduced echelon form of the given matrix. The leading entry in each row must be equal to 1. First start with the first row. You can see that the leading entry is 1 here. So leading entry is 1, which means that I need to convert the elements below this to 0. Once again the operations, you know already now R2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. ಈ 2 ನ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೋನ ನಾನು R1 ನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. R1 ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ R2 ಮತ್ತು R3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ R2 ನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ R2 minus 2 times R1. minus 2 ಇಂದ R1 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ R2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ R2 is R2 minus 2 times R1. And R3, once again R3 is also similar way, R3 minus 3 times of R1. So the elements that you are going to get are, first row ಏನು change ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So 1, 1, minus 1, 3 will remain as it is. Second row and third row elements will change because we are performing the row operations there. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 0. Minus 2 into 1 minus 4. 6 minus 2 into minus 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 into 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. So second row operations complete ಆಯಿತು. Third row operations ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 minus 3 into 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 3 into 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Minus 7 minus 3 into minus 1. Minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. Then 8 minus 3 into 3. 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. This is first row is reduced. You can see here the leading entry is 1 and the elements below it are zeros. Now come to second row. Second row we need to convert it into the echelon form. So this one I need to see this element has to be made as either made as 1 or you check in that particular column below this element is there any one in any other row. This is not there because there is only one row below it and that contains the element 2. Therefore I can't interchange the rows. Let me just convert this minus 4 to 1. What is the operation that we need to take up? R2 is R2 ಅದನ್ನು 1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. -4 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? -1/4 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನ ಏನೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. 1 1 -1 3 ಆಮೇಲೆ 0 ಇಂಟು -1/4 ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. -4 ಇಂಟು -1/4 ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 8 ಇಂಟು -1/4 ಅಂದರೆ -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಇಂಟು -1/4 ಈಸ್ -1/2. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋನ ನಾನು ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. 2 -4 -1. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ 1 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 0 ಮಾಡೋದು. How will you do that? See here there is 2 and here there is 1. So now I have to keep this leading entry. ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದು ರೋನ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರೋ ಆ ರೋನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ 1ನ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋದ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇವಾಗ? R3 ಈಸ್ R3 minus 2 times R2. ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್. 1 1 -1 3. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. 0 1 -2 -1/2 and then 0 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 into 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 4 minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 2 into 1/2. Minus 1 plus 1 is going to be 0. Okay, there might be a slight change in your study material. That does not matter as long as you are getting the rank to be same, because these are row operations you can perform in any way. It's not necessary that you need to follow how I am doing. You can just do in whatever way you want, but only the thing is remember that you are following the rules of reducing the given matrix to row reduced echelon form. Now look at this matrix what we have got. Is it in row reduced echelon form? Of course yes, this is in row reduced echelon form because you can see the elements. The leading elements in each row is 1 and the elements below the leading elements are zeros and the 0 rows are appearing below the non-zero rows. Therefore we have reduced the given matrix A to row reduced echelon form. Now we just have to see how many non-zero rows are there, and you can see here there are 2 non-zero rows. Non-zero rows ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಆ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದರೂ non-zero ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ non-zero row ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. So this is there are 2 non-zero rows here. Hence you can say that the given matrix has been reduced into row reduced echelon form with 2 non-zero rows. Therefore the rank of the matrix is 2. So let us just write that. The given matrix is reduced into echelon form not just echelon form, we call this as row reduced echelon form. With how many non-zero rows? With 2 non-zero rows. And we know that as per the definition of rank of the matrix, the number of non-zero rows is nothing but the rank of the matrix. Therefore, rank of A is equal to, how do you denote it? Row of A is equal to 2. So, this is the procedure of finding the rank of the matrix. You can consider as many examples as you need and try to reduce the matrix to row reduced echelon form and get the rank of the matrix. Let us try to take a few more examples where we are going to find the rank of this matrix here now. The matrix A is 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 0, 11, minus 5, 3, 2, minus 5, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1, 5. And this is, actually you can see that this is a 4 by 4 matrix. We can try to reduce the given matrix to echelon form, row reduced echelon form. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕೆಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಎವ್ರಿ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 1 and the elements below that should be 0 and the number of zeros should keep on increasing from one row to another with the 0 rows appearing below the non-zero rows. So let us just come to first row and you can see here that the element is 1 here. So once you see the first leading entry as 1, you can see to it, you can keep on doing the operation to convert the elements below it to 0. How will you convert the elements of second, third and fourth rows to zeros? So you can see already there is one 0 here. So no need to touch second row. We can just consider only third and fourth row. R3 is R3 minus, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನ ನಾವು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇವಾಗ. ಆ ರೋನ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಸ್ದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. R3 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಮಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟು 0. R3 ಆಯಿತು. R4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. R4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? R4 is R4 minus 4 times R1. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, minus 4 ಬಂದರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. With this operations, what happens to our given matrix? Let us check. First row ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1, 3, minus 1, 2. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನೇನು ನಾವೇನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 11 minus 5, 3. Next go for R3. R3 minus 2 times R1. Corresponding elements na ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 0. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 into 3. Minus 5 minus 2 into 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 5 minus 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 11. Then 3 minus 2 into minus 1. 3 minus 2 into minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 5 ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು? 1 minus 2 into 2. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 ಅಂದರೆ minus 3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು R4. R4 ಅಂದರೆ 4 minus 4 into 1 is 0. 1 minus 4 into 3. 1 minus 4 into 3 ಅಂದರೆ 1 minus 12. 1 minus 12 ಅಂದರೆ minus 11. 1 minus 4 into minus 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 5 minus 4 into 2. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So you can see here this elements ಒಂಥರ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು? ಫಸ್ಟು ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಇವಾಗೇನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಆವಾಗ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು 1, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಈಸ್ R3ನ R3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ R2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, -11 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 11 0 ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. -11 ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ R4 ಕೂಡ, R4 ಈಸ್ R4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ R2. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. 1 3 -1 2. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, 0 11 -5 3. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ R3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ R2 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0 0, -11 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 11 0, 5 -5 0. Okay, -3 plus 3 0. My God, see, it has reduced so simply it became 0. So now life will be little more simple. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ R4 ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 0 plus 0 0, R4 plus R2 ಅಲ್ವಾ, -11 plus 11 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, -3 plus 3 is 0. This has reduced our operation to a great extent ವೇರ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಒಂದನ್ನ, ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟು 1, ದಟ್ ಸಫೈಸಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟು ರೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕಿಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ, ಏನು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ದಿಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ R2 is R2 into 1 by 11. R2 into 1 by 11. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, 1 3 -1 2. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನ 11 1 by 11 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ 0 into 1 by 11 ಅಂದರೆ 0, 11 into 1 by 11 ಅಂದರೆ 1, -5 into 1 by 11 ಅಂದರೆ -5 by 11. ಆಮೇಲೆ 3 into 1 by 11 ಅಂದರೆ 3 by 11. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 2 rows are already converted into zeros. So just write them. Is there anything that we need to do further? Nothing, because there were only 2 rows. Other 2 rows had become zeros. Now you see that the given matrix is in the row reduced echelon form. With, you can see all the conditions of row reduced echelon form are satisfied. Leading entry 1, the elements below it is 0. Second row leading entry 1, the elements below it is 0. Third row, fourth row, 0 rows are below the non-zero rows. Therefore, the matrix, the given matrix is in row reduced echelon form now with two non-zero rows. ಎರಡು ತಾನೇ ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಇರೋದು, ಈ ಎರಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇವೆರಡೇ ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಇರೋದು. Therefore, rank of A is equal to row of A is equal to 2. So this is how you need to find the rank of a given matrix by reducing it to row reduced echelon form. Here is another example where the matrix A is 2 1 4 3 3 -1 12 6 1 3 4 1. We have to reduce this to echelon form and then find the rank of this matrix. So as usual, what we will do, we will try to look at the first row. Each row, the leading entry should be 1. Here I have taken a little different problem because all the problems that we had considered earlier, all the time in each of those matrices that we had considered, the first row leading element was 1. But here it is not so. I just wanted you to feel that the operation of interchanging the rows. Suppose there is a 1 in any of the rows other than the first row in the same column, then we can interchange it. So that concept I wanted you to understand. So I have taken a little different example from that you have in your study material. So here you can see that we have to go for only row operations, and you can see that there is no 1 here. This is not 1. So, but whereas I can see in the same column, I can see 1 here. So what I should do? Let me interchange these two. Okay. What I should do? CR3 is to be interchanged with R1. So when I want to interchange, I should have a both sided arrow. So what is the equivalent matrix that you are going to get? 1, 3, 4, 1. Third row will become first row and first row will become third row. Second row there is no change. 3 minus 1, 12, 6. Then 2, 1, 4, 3. Okay, now you can see that the element 1 has come here. So now since the first row leading entry is 1, I have to convert the elements below this to 0. What are the operations? Remember, once again I am telling you, it's only the row operations. R2 is R2 minus 3 R1 and R3 is R3 minus 2 R1. Equivalent matrix that we are going to get is first row we are not touching because the other two rows operations are being done with the first row. So what is the elements of first row? It is 1, 3, 4, 1. Okay. Second row and third row there is a change because we have some operations involved with second and third rows. 3 minus 3 into 1 is 0. Minus 1 minus 3 into 3. Minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10. Okay. Then 12 minus 3 into 4. 12 minus 12 is 0. Then 6 minus 3 into 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. Similarly, go for the third row. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 0. 1 minus 2 into 3. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 4 minus 2 into 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. 3 minus 2 into 1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Hope you have understood this operation and the equivalent matrix that we have got here. So now first row is reduced. Once the first row is reduced, I should move to the next row. Next row I can see here element 10 which is not 1. So what I will do is I will check the elements below it. If there is any one, that corresponding row I will interchange with this. But here there is no such row which contains 1 in the column as that of minus 10. Therefore, there is no need to interchange. We can simply go for the operation R2 is R2 into minus 1 by 10. That gives you the equivalent matrix 1, 3, 4, 1. No change in the first row. Second row, we are multiplying each and every element by minus 1 by 10. 0 into minus 1 by 10 is 0. Then minus 10 into minus 1 by 10 is 1. 0 into minus 1 by 10 is 0 once again. And 3 into minus 1 by 10 is minus 3 by 10. Okay. So the third row we are not doing any operation right now. So keep it as it is 0, minus 5, minus 4, 1. Since the matrix the need to operate is in the previous slide, let me just write it once again here. 1, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 3 by 10, 0, minus 5, minus 4, 1. So now you can see first row is reduced, second row 1 is there. So I need to convert the elements below it to 0.
So what is the operation that I need to take up? R3 is R3 plus 5 times R2. What is the equivalent matrix that you are going to get now is, we are not changing the first row, 1 3 4 1. Second row is also remaining as it is, 0 1 0 minus 3 by 10. Then the third row, 0 plus 5 into 0 is 0. Minus 5 plus 5 into 1 is 0. Minus 4 plus 5 into 0 is minus 4. 1 minus 3 by 10 into 5, or that is 1 plus 5 into minus 3 by 10. So 1 minus 3 by 2 gives you minus 1 by 2. You can see now the second row is also, first row was already reduced, second row is reduced now. What we have to do now is, we have to convert, go to the third row and make the first leading entry as 1. Since I don't have any other rows below this element, so I have to just make this element as 1. What is the operation that we need to take up? R3 is R3 into minus 1 by 4. So the equivalent matrix that we are going to get is 1, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 3 by 10, because there is no change, or we are not changing the first and second rows. Only there is a change in the third row. 0 into minus 1 by 4 is 0. 0 into minus 1 by 4 is 0. Minus 4 into minus 1 by 4 is 1. And minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 4 is plus 1 by 8. Look at this matrix now. Is it in the echelon form? Is it in the echelon form? Yes. So what we should do? We should say that the given matrix is in echelon form, and then see the number of non-zero rows, and accordingly you can say the rank of the matrix. So just let us write that here. Now the matrix is in echelon form. In fact, you should write row reduced echelon form. How many non-zero rows? With 3 non-zero rows. So what will be the rank? Therefore, rank of A is equal to 3. So this is how you need to find the rank of the given matrices, by reducing them to row reduced echelon form. Students, till now we have considered few examples where their matrix was given and we found the rank of the matrix by reducing the given matrix to row reduced echelon form. Whereas this is a little different example where the rank is already given. You can see that the rank is given, but what has to be found is, they have asked you to find the value of k. How the value of k, you can see here some k's are there as entries in this matrix, where the value of k is not known, but the rank should be equal to 3. So you are supposed to find the value of k such that this matrix will have the rank 3. Okay, ಯಾವುದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 3 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ 3 ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ನಾನು ರೋ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕೆಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 3 ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ರೇಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೋ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕೆಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸಿ ರೋ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕೆಲಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ದ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ is 1. Yes, it is 1, and so what I should do? I should convert the elements below it to 0. So the operations that I need to consider are row operations only you are supposed to consider, because we are talking about only row reduced echelon form. R2 is R2 minus R1 and R3 is R3 minus R1. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಎರಡು ರೋಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, 1 1 1 1 ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಹೊಸ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, k minus 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ R3 ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಇವಾಗ 1 minus 1 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3, 10 minus 1 is 9, k square minus 1. Okay. So first row is reduced. Leading entry 1 ಇದೆ, elements below it 0 ಇದೆ. So first row ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಗಿಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫೈನ್, that is one thing that we need to note. And then first non-zero entry in the second row, this one, and this is 1. Therefore, yes, we can go ahead with reducing this row. For that, what we have to do is we have to take up the element below that entry and convert it to 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 3 ಇದೆ. So what is the operation that we need to consider? R3 ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ನ? R3 ನ R2 ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, R2 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ. ಈ 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? -3 times R2. ಓಕೆ, so let us just check what we are going to get. The equivalent matrix that we are going to get will be 1 1 1 1 0. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋನೇನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾವು ಬರೀ R3 ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 0 1 3 k minus 1. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ R3 minus 3 times of R2. R2ನ -3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ R3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. 0 minus 3 into 0 is 0. 3 minus 3 into 1 ಅಂದರೆ 3 minus 3 is 0. 9 minus 3 into 3, 9 minus 9 ಅಂದರೆ 0. Then k square minus 1 minus 3 times of k minus 1. This is the operation that we have to do. ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1 1 1 1 0 1 3 k minus 1 0 0 0. What do you get? K square minus 3k plus 2. Okay, now it is, you can see that the first row is a non-zero row, second row is also a non-zero row. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ k ಏನಾದರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಲಿ, ಈವನ್ k = 1 ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನ ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ರೋ. ನಮಗೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 3 ಇದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಕೂಡ ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಇದಾವೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಇವಾಗ ಇರೋದು ಇನ್ನು 1 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು 0 ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನಗೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರ್ಯಾಂಕು 2 ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ರ್ಯಾಂಕು 3 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸಿ ಟು ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ we have to take the value of k in such a way that k square minus 3k plus 2 will not be equal to 0. So therefore, since the rank is given to be 3, which implies k square minus 3k plus 2 is not equal to 0. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆಗೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ 0 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. So k square minus 3k plus 2 is not equal to 0. Factorize ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? k square minus 2k minus k plus 2 is not equal to 0. So k into k minus 2 minus 1 into k minus 2 is not equal to 0. Factorization, k minus 2 into k minus 1 should not be equal to 0. So k minus 2 is not equal to 0 and k minus 1 should not be equal to 0, which means that k should not be equal to 2 and k should not be equal to 1. If k is not 2, if k is not 1, then k square minus 3k plus 2 will never become 0. In that case, you will have a non-zero element in the third row which can be converted to 1 and hence it can be reduced to row reduced echelon form having 3 non-zero rows, which means that for these values of k, the given matrix will have rank 3. Therefore, the rank of the given matrix will be 3 only when k is not equal to 2 and k is not equal to 1. Or you can even write this as the rank of the given matrix A will be 3 for all values of k except k is equal to 2 and k is equal to 1. So then k can have any values. So this is how you are supposed to find the value of k. So if the rank is already given, you should see to it that many non-zero rows are there in the final row reduced echelon form. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅದು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ different type of example where we have found an unknown element in the matrix by using the given definition of rank of a matrix. That means rank of the matrix was known and the element was unknown, which we found using the definition of row reduced echelon form of a matrix and the rank of a matrix. So here are few practice problems which you can try to solve by reducing them to row reduced echelon form and hence find the rank. So you have to find the rank of each of the following matrices by reducing them to row reduced echelon form. So here are 3 matrices where you are supposed to reduce them to echelon form and hence you can write the rank. Hope you have understood the process of reducing the given matrix to row reduced echelon form. If that is the case, then this should not be difficult. You should be able to solve and get the ranks of these 3 matrices. Similarly, there is one more example here where this time the rank is given to be 3 once again and you are supposed to find the value of k. So k is here. You can just see here, here you have to reduce this matrix to row reduced echelon form and see to it that in the final form there are 3 non-zero rows. ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆಗೆ ಅದು 3 ನಾನ್-ಝೀರೋ ರೋಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ here in this one I just want to give you a hint. This problem you can first interchange R1 with R3 so that the first leading entry will be 1 in the first row. Then you can proceed with the remaining process of finding the value of k by reducing it to row reduced echelon form. There are few MCQs for you. Here the question is find the rank of the matrix A. They have given you 4 choices. You are supposed to choose the correct one. What is the correct answer? The correct answer you can get only by reducing this matrix to row reduced echelon form and hence you can choose the correct answer. Similarly, you can go for another example. Once again, you have a very simple small 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore, you can find the rank very easily and choose your correct answer. The next problem would be If the rank of matrix A is 2, then the value of K is, see here this time the rank is given but the value of K is not known, like how we have done one problem, fifth problem just now. The similar way you are supposed to solve this problem and then mark the correct answer. The next one is, it's a simple fill in the blank. In a standard row reduced echelon form of the matrix, the 0 rows must appear. There are 4 answers. Hope you all will be able to answer these MCQs along with the practice problems. There are 4 answers. You can choose the correct one. The last one is the rank of the matrix is. Once again, you are supposed to find the rank of the matrix. See, these many examples are being given to you so that it becomes a good practice for you and you will be able to get your marks, the allotted marks for this particular topic. These are your references from where we have collected the material, that is examples, and try to solve them. So you can refer these books and try to get more number of examples and solve them to become perfect and in understanding the rank of a matrix and how to find the rank of a matrix. Thank you.